West Midlands 5G was created as a program funded by DCMS to create two things. One was to accelerate the infrastructure of 5G, and two, to develop verticals and applications within the 5G environment. The use cases were successful, so just seeing that it is possible to turn an idea initially of implementing a 5G network within a manufacturing environment, seeing that in reality is really amazing.
The technology that has been installed and is now in use in MTC is a private 5G network that is separate from the public one. It's there for MTC to experiment and to use without any interference, without anyone else using it. It's theirs. And it's a technology that Nokia has brought, and with our partners BT and MTC, we have installed one of the first 5G standalone networks in the UK.
Working closely with our technology partner Nokia, we've built a private 5G network here at the MTC, and that enables us to trial automation through robotics across the manufacturing floor.
Having deployed the first non-standalone 5G network in a live UK factory back in 2019, we wanted to build and understand how a private 5G standalone network could be built in an advanced manufacturing facility like the MTC. Through the development of a broad range of use cases, we wanted to demonstrate a number of ways the properties of 5G could be leveraged by both small and medium-sized enterprises and multinationals alike.
The technology is really exciting because it works. A crucial problem, and if you look at some of the other ways of connecting stuff up inside the factory, inside the warehouse, is that many of the other technologies like Wi-Fi don't have the distance, don't have the coverage. Here at MTC, we've used just 3 units to cover the entire space of a complex, metal-filled, difficult environment with lots of complexity from a radio perspective, lots of interference. What it gives you is a network that means you don't have to think about it. You turn on the devices, you experiment, you use applications, you use use cases, you try out new things without having to worry about how the data gets there.
In this emulated environment, a set of produced parts are autonomously transported from one point of the manufacturing shop floor by a mobile industrial robot, a mere 200 platform in particular, to an automated inspection area. The system is triggered by an operator through the mobile robot fleet management system, and the mobile robot enters the automated inspection area where an automated safety system controls the safe operation of the robotic inspection cell.
On the 5G side of things, the benefits are 5G works in the manufacturing environment. On the use case side of things, it shows that we can track assets around the shop floor. We can do automated guided vehicle drive only on 5G without human interaction. We can also automate the process of visual inspection, take the right decisions through AI learning and comparing it to the actual specifications that we have. So there is a lot of benefits in coming together on the 5G network and systems interacting with each other.
The connected facility at the MTC will allow manufacturers of all sizes and technology suppliers to explore the benefits of 5G in manufacturing and inspire the development of more use cases and innovative ideas that are not limited by the constraints of traditional communication technology. And this is only one small example on where technology can actually take us when we put together the power of automation and the power of digital.
BT is committed to working with the West Midlands 5G, MTC, as well as our partners to drive innovative technology to create that smart manufacturing future.
We've been really excited to share our learning with other businesses so that they can understand how smart connected manufacturing could play a part of their future operating models and services.